This is our large capacity PET blow molding machine, mainly designed for producing large PET containers, such as water bottles, edible oil bottles, beverage bottles, and other large plastic packaging bottles. In this video, the machine is producing a 20-liter large capacity bottle with an output of more than 600 bottles per hour. According to different customer requirements, the production capacity and machine configuration can be adjusted. The mold, preform feeding system, heating system, servo control system, and auxiliary equipment can all be matched. Based on the customer's bottle design, bottle volume, and production needs, the machine works automatically. The preforms are fed into the main machine, then go through heating, stretching, blowing, and final bottle forming. With a stable structure and user-friendly operation, this machine is suitable for continuous and standardized production of large capacity PET bottles. Yuanda machinery focuses on PET blow molding machines, filling equipment, and complete production line solutions through stable machines, flexible configurations, and long-term service. We aim to help customers build more efficient and reliable bottle production systems. If you are looking for large capacity PET bottle production equipment, please feel free to contact us for more information.